So this is the Koenigsegg Agera RSR. What does that mean? I have no idea. If you do, let me know. But this one is in the greenish blue. I'd say turquoise, but it doesn't seem exactly like that color. But this is the color with the orange trim. So now let's just remove the plastic and get it open. So now with the plastic removed, we can get a clearer look through the plastic, and it does look pretty good so far, as in like no damage. Again, worrying about the travel and if it caused any damage to the car, but so far it doesn't seem like it did. I think I paid 6,400 pesos, Filipino pesos for this, so the price in USD should be on the screen somewhere, and let me know if I got a good deal or not, because one thing I did see was another store selling this exact same car for 10,000 pesos, so definitely saved myself a lot of money there. Now with the amount I actually spent, again 6,400, did I get a good deal on the car or not? Let me know if I did. So now that it is out of the box, let's just take it off the platform so we don't have to worry about that later. So now that the car is out of the box, it is pretty tiny, so I will have to zoom in a bit, but the car so far looks to be in pretty good condition for the travel. No damage that I see so far, and again, like the other GT Spirits, pretty heavy car. So that is a good sign. This car is number 1567 out of 2000. That's pretty cool. One thing that happened was that these things, but on this side, they fell out. So now it's just these ones, which now make me believe that these can be taken off, and yep, it's just as easy as that, just twisting them. So with that new knowledge, now I will definitely be taking them off the other cars. So that is good to know. So I do film these in a single day because the quiet time is quite rare. So they are done in like a single day within the same like hour or a couple. So if you let me know in the other videos, thank you. But now I do know. So that is cool. And now let's take a look at that brown interior. Little hard to see, but does look pretty amazing. I always do love a brown interior. White interior, you get worried about the stains. A black interior, it's too boring and basic. A brown interior, something a little different, something you find in like a higher end car. It's always my go-to if I can't think of any interior color designs. Trying to see that A-pillar right there. What's on it? Doesn't look as kinda. Take a look at the top. Pretty good looking car so far. Nice details, the mesh in the vents, the taillights. The front. Just a happy little car. And the brakes. They slightly move, but they feel like I kind of feel like they want to go more, but again, I don't want to risk it. So let's just leave it like that. So now let's get the car on the turntable. So that is it for the Koenigsegg Agera RSR. Again, not a whole lot to go through. Since it is a resin, we can't really open the doors, can't open the hood or anything. So that's unfortunate, but we do get a lot of detail in what we can see. And again, this is just another beautiful GT Spirit model. You really do get what you pay for. Like this, if I knew how to do photography well, like take photos and edit them and all that, you could probably think this was the real thing. So that is just an amazing car to have and see. I think I've seen one Koenigsegg Agera, and I think that was an R. Again, I'm not 100% familiar on their names for them, but it was the full carbon that I saw in the Peterson. So I don't know who exactly owns it. I know that there was a Pagani Huayra, I believe, and that one was brown, but I think Manny Kajban owned that one. I don't know if he took it back or what, but I've definitely seen one of these cars before in real life, and it's just as beautiful. So I'm glad to have a model like that in my collection now. So it's pretty sweet. That is about it for this one. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and so thanks for watching.